Milwaukee's new deep-cut band saws deliver best-in-class performance. The industry-best 10.5-amp motor provides the power needed for any material. This powerful motor, combined with increased blade speed, results in up to 40% faster cut times compared to the old Milwaukee 6232-6. At 420 surface feet per minute, the new Milwaukee Band Saw is the fastest cutting saw available. With Milwaukee reliability and best-in-class power and speed, Milwaukee Band Saws can't be beat. Milwaukee Metalworking, the industrial standard.